We are here at Meyer. I'm just gonna do like a mini haul. Grab my bag. So raspberries is a great snack. So I'm picking these right now because I'm really on living a ketogenic lifestyle. So I really like the raspberries. There's not much of a fruit selection. Now we have pico de gallo. I really should be making this myself, guys, but hey, it's quick, fast, and easy. Now coming to the zucchini and squash, I really love this zucchini and squash, like cheesy type of baked dish. It's really good. Now I'm about to grab these wraps. Love these wraps. Only 3 net carbs. You guys should really try it if you haven't already. Now I'm on a hunt for this bread. There's this Aunt Millie's Live or Live, whichever one it is. And don't mind the donuts. That's for my 2-year-old son. But I am searching high and low for this 1-carb bread. Now, mind you, the bread, at least at my local stores, are like almost $5 a loaf. But it really comes in handy, though. I'm searching. Gosh, I am on a hunt for this low-carb bread. Where is it? I was trying to see what the facts were on here, but no luck. Man, I've gotten so used to that bread already. This right here is a great snack, whether you're on keto or not. My fiance likes these as well, so I buy enough for him. So now I'm going over to the water section. I got a little distracted by the salmon, but I decided not to purchase it. I think one of these days I will actually try the frozen. But now I'm going to get some electrolyte life water. I love this water, and it seems like it might be TMI, but it seems like I'm way more regular when I drink this life water during keto. So here I'm not really grabbing anything for myself, really. I'm just grabbing a couple side dishes that will be easy to make, like for my fiance if I'm trying to make him healthier meals. And then I also decided to grab a bag of broccoli with cheese as well. I could have some of that on keto, but I would definitely check the back of the package first to make sure they don't have like any additional carbs on there. So I had to do a little U-turn there because it was people right there. Just heading through the aisles. A lot of this stuff, guys, like I am doing a grocery haul. And although I'm on the ketogenic lifestyle, you know, as far as my eating habits go, my entire household is not. So you know how that go. I'm actually still getting things for myself as well as the house. So my fiance likes rice. He likes to have like added rice into his soup. I also make it like if I grill him pork chops or something of that nature. And then the Spanish rice, I actually grabbed that for chicken quesadillas. Now in this aisle, I was looking for actually a couple things. That roasted garlic and herb by Grill Mates, McCormick. I was looking for that, but they didn't have any. And then I was looking at the different pink Himalayan sea salts. because I'm out, or I was out. And then I finally decided on one. And it's rather large, so I should be able to have it for quite a while. As you can see, I was a little hesitant and unsure, but I ended up going with this one right here. Mommy! Mommy! Yes, Makai? Mommy! Yes. Okay, hold on. So I grabbed some crackers here because I was planning on making chili after a couple days. So what I was planning on doing was actually making, like, splitting the pot in half, basically. Right here, I'm grabbing these Hormel Cup and Crisp pepperonis. Love these things. And the serving size is like 17 slices. So it's pretty perfect, whether I'm making a low-carb pizza or just using them as a snack. Oh yeah, I'm also going to grab these cups. They come in handy in my house. Then I grab these cups because I use... Hey, Makai, stop. So I finally ended up finding the Chili Ready Red Gold diced tomatoes. So I already had a can at home. I normally, for a pot of chili, use 2 of those. And then this chili mix, I buy that and I check the back out just to kind of see if I would be able to have beans. I could, but it would cut into my carbs a lot. Because I'm trying to keep my net carb count around 20. I'm grabbing a couple heads of romaine, oh my goodness, iceberg lettuce. I like to use this for making salads, and I'll also mix in like some baby spinach or something like that. Or if I'm making like a sandwich with no bread, I'll use that lettuce. I'm back on the hunt again for this bread. Listen, I seen a lady with this bread. I have no clue where she got it from, if she worked there or what, but that just put me right back on the hunt of this Aunt Millie's low 1 net carb bread. Nothing. I did not find this bread, but I did not stop trying. Okay, so not finally, but almost finally, I'm grabbing a couple Boathouse drinks for my fiance. He likes them. He thinks they're rather filling too. He also tries to drink those when he's calling himself more so on like a healthier kick. But, this is no way, shape, or form any type of keto lifestyle for me. Now, this protein keto, I tried that coffee one right there. I tried that. I thought it was terrible, though. Tell me what you guys think if you've ever tried that. It was terrible as far as, in my opinion, in my taste buds. Grabbing some little cuties. I don't even know if the name of those are cuties on here, but as you can see, guys, that was the last thing I got. I'm in line. I'm loading up the belts. Now I'm all done, headed towards the door. Ooh, good thing that wasn't me. Okay, guys, this is only part 1. This is the grocery haul portion. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in part 2. Don't forget